Alright, so I am here taking the RollRoad Emma 3.0 out for my first impression ride. And this thing is just, it is sharp looking. And look at this thing. This is probably my absolute favorite e-bike accessory to date. It's like a little safe. I've been calling it my lunchbox. It's got a very pretty pattern in here too. Very aesthetically pleasing. I like it a lot. There are a lot of things that I could be doing with this little lunchbox. You know, like taking it to lunch. Just check this thing out. It is sharp looking. I've already taken it for a short little ride. I don't typically care for the moped style of seat, but this one is actually, it's squish and it's comfy compared to some moped style seats that I've had before. We've got some nice looking tires right here. I like that pattern. It's kind of fun. These are CST Scout e-moped style tires. That's kind of cute. I didn't see that before. A little e-bike symbol right there. And it's green. I like it. And Emma 3.0. Alright. So I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this thing out for a little ride. Now check this out too. This is something that we have not had before. I've got these little key card looking things, like, you know, for a hotel room. You just take it here, swipe, boom, it's on. Now I don't have pockets, so I don't want to lose my little key cards. So I'm going to open up my lunchbox and stick it in there. Boink. And now I'm going to take this for a little ride. I'm in pedal assist 1. Make sure my camera is looking good. Okie doke. So it definitely likes to take off a little bit, especially with the throttle. But with just pedaling, going at a decent speed, nothing crazy. And that breeze today feels phenomenal. It's getting hotter and hotter. Not too thrilled about that. But e-bike reviews and adventures will continue to endure. And we will continue to put out videos and content for everyone to enjoy. So definitely stick around. Alright, so pedal assist 3, I'm just pedaling. The shade of the trees is very much appreciated. I like trees. Trees are my friend. How fast I can get this to go with throttle. Not bad at all. I got it up to 33 miles per hour. That is awesome. Now let me pull over real quick. So I noticed a couple things up here in the cockpit. One of those is, look at that. I've got turn signals. And just right below, I've got my horn. Very nice. And then up here, I have my headlight, the power button. You got your settings, and then the plus or minus to change your pedal assist. Also, you've got the palm rests, my favorite. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. And the moped style of seat, like I said earlier, is very comfortable compared to some moped style seats that I have ridden on before. Now, it's still not a personal preference of mine, just because if I wanted to adjust the height, because I have a friend that wants to try out a bike and they're tall, they might have a harder time riding on this. But then again, my dad is 6'2", and he's had no problems riding on this bike either. So I think the RollRoad Emma 3.0 knows what she is doing. She's comfy, she's fast, easy to maneuver. So all right, I think that is going to be it for this short little video. Give me a big old thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We've got all sorts of content for everyone, and as always, adventure is out there. Go find it. I'll see you in the next video.